TP-Link Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System up to 5500 Sq.ft. Coverage, Wi-Fi router extender replacement, Gigabit ports, seamless roaming, parental controls, works with ALEXA, Deco S4 3-pack. A new way to Wi-Fi. Deco Mesh technology gives you a better Wi-Fi experience in all directions with faster Wi-Fi speeds and strong Wi-Fi signal to cover your whole home. Better coverage than traditional Wi-Fi routers. Deco S4 3 units work seamlessly to create a Wi-Fi mesh network that can cover homes up to 500 square feet. No dead zone anymore. Seamless and stable Wi-Fi mesh rather than Wi-Fi range extender that need multiple network names and passwords. Deco S4 allows you to enjoy seamless roaming throughout the house with a single network name and password. Incredibly fast AC 1200 speeds makes the Deco capable of providing connectivity for up to 100 devices. With advanced Deco Mesh technology, units work together to form a unified network with a single network name. Devices automatically switch between decos as you move through your home for the fastest possible speeds. Robust parental controls limit online time and block inappropriate websites according to unique profiles created for each family member. Easy to keep your children safe while they're online. Setup is a breeze with the Deco app available on your Android or iOS device. Turn on off guest Wi-Fi with Alexa voice commands. Industry-leading 2-year and 24/7 technical support. Connectivity technology, Ethernet. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.